Hello friends, today we are going to talk about Griffith experiment. So to find the genetic material in 1928, the Griffith, scientist of molecular biology, did an experiment to find the genetic material. Okay, so what he did, he took the two different strain of bacteria. First is rough strain or non-virulent bacteria, and second one is smooth strain, that is virulent, which cause the disease. Rough strain is non-virulent because they do not have capsule outside it to protect from the host immune system. So host immune system will kill it and it is not able to cause any disease in the host. On the other hand, the smooth strain bacteria or virulent bacteria have capsule wall outside. So the host immune system do not recognize it and it causes disease inside the host. So what he did, he inject the rough strain into the mouse. The bacteria name pneumococcus, remember, okay? So it caused disease in the mouse. So first he inject the rough strain bacteria inside the mouse and observe that the mouse is living, he do not die. After injecting the smooth strain, the mouse will be die, means it is virulent. Okay, understand? So after this, he heat killed the smooth strain bacteria. So after heat killing, it lost their property of smooth staining. He become non-virulent and do not cause any disease in the mouse. After injecting individual of the heat killed smooth strain bacteria, the mouse will be live. And the rough strain already non-virulent, but when the rough strain mix with the heat killed smooth strain bacteria, the transformation occur, that is the DNA of the heat killed transfer into the rough strain and convert the rough strain into a smooth strain virus. So after mixing the both rough strain bacteria and heat killed of smooth strain, both are non-virulent, but after mixing it causes disease and die the mouse, because transformation is occur. On the basis of this experiment, the Griffith said that some molecule is transferred from smooth strain to rough strain and convert rough strain into smooth strain and cause the death of the mouse. But he do not tell about the DNA is a genetic material. He only tells about the transformation process, that is a molecule that is transferred from smooth strain bacteria to rough strain and make rough strain into smooth strain bacteria, which cause disease. So okay, hope you all understand this topic. Thank you very much.